fucking hell, the fuck you got on this show?
You need to like thing right and then go left.
I left the main entry, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, pal. You right down there, pal. Are you getting on, you mad bastard?
Whoa, what are you doing?
I'm by a fucking car. I'm behind you.
Right. But the other coppers was on the radio and that you might have heard it.
Yeah, tell him the copper ran me over.
Tell him yourself in a minute, bro.
On there? Oh, bus coming.
Hello?
Hello, the fucking copper ran me over.
Did it?
Yeah, hold on, boy, just ran me over. Who the fuck do you think he is?
I don't think he saw you, you know. I think he was looking for people shooting.
I shall not. Hey, come back.
What?
There's some guy with a blue shirt just shooting everyone with a pistol. Blue shirt.
No, go straight past.
I'm not interrupting your conversation, am I, boys?
Huh?
Not at all.
I just
I just saw him shooting, I was already dead. Because I robbed an NPC's cars and the NPC beat me to death because I had my cushion, I couldn't whack him back.
People.
Yeah, it was a way to die.